Hi guys. I am going to go over your assignment for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So please don't feel like you need to get this all done. I'm going to do the whole video at once. Um, but, well, maybe I won't. Yeah, I'm going to split this up so that because it'll take forever to download anyway. Okay, so I'm going to make 3 videos for you and you can do this all at your own pace, okay? Um, all right, I just wanted to make sure that was there. All right, here we go. I hope y'all are doing well. I sure do miss you guys a lot. Everything. I miss everything. I miss you guys, and I hope you're staying safe and well. And please come join me at the Google Hangout. Make me feel loved. Okay. All right. So, vocabulary. I'm going to go over all the vocabulary you need to know for this next TEK. Alrighty. So a little bit's going to be a review from last week. Most of it, though, will be new. Some of it, or maybe even most of it, won't be brand new to you because you've already learned about this in previous grades. So that's why I love this unit too, because y'all have a lot of previous knowledge. All right. Let's see. I'm just going to present this and see how it goes. Alrighty. Organism relationship. So hopefully you have made a copy of both of these for yourself. This is what you're going to submit to me in Canvas, okay? So make sure you get this completed and submitted, all right? This you will keep in your science folder. Both of them keep in your science folder. This one, though, make sure you submit the link to me to edit. All right, how can you describe an organism's relationship in a food web as they occur in these ecosystems, marine, freshwater, and terrestrial? All right, so as you know, an organism is an individual animal, plant, or single-celled life form. So you're going to type in that meaning right there or copy and paste. That doesn't bother me at all. And an example would be one organism, any organism of your choice, anything that's living, okay? Population is the number of those particular organisms that are inhabiting the same area, okay? Like the population of humans in Midlothian, etc., etc. So give me an example of a population in an area. Community is all the various species, okay? One thing about community that I don't feel like I stressed last week is that a community is all the living organisms, okay? All the biotic factors. So just keep that in mind. So, and then an ecosystem is all the living and non-living factors. So think of it kind of as a community, but then you're adding in the abiotic factors, okay? So make sure you get that done and you have your examples. Alrighty. Whoopsie. Okay, as you know, biotic are living or once living organisms in an ecosystem. Some of you, I think, are a little confused by that, but just remember, if it has been living at any time, it's still considered biotic. Abiotic are non-living elements in an ecosystem. And some of you are giving me examples such as like your hair dryer or something as an abiotic factor. And that's cute. It's definitely not living, but is that affecting the ecosystem? Maybe for you it might, but just think of things that are actually interacting with the biotic factors such as the sun, air, temperature, soil, things that are not living but that are important for the biotic factors to live. All right. This isn't on there, but a niche is a place or function of a given organism within its ecosystem. So all of you find your niche in life. You decide what you're good at, what you enjoy doing, and that's what you end up doing, hopefully, with your life. So all of us have a niche. These animals have a special niche, and you will too. All right. Now we're going to really talk about the relationships, okay? And a lot of this you probably, hopefully already know. A producer is also called an autotroph, so you're going to write an autotroph right there. They produce their own food. Alrighty, so that plants, basically all plants are producers or autotrophs. They make their own food through photosynthesis, as you know, okay? We do not make our own food. We have to consume another organism to get our energy, and that's why we are called consumers, okay? Consumers get their energy from other organisms. Another name for that is heterotroph, okay? Heterotroph means different. So we do not get our own food. We have to go to a different source to get our food, alrighty? And then decomposers, which we are not, they play a very important role in ecosystems because they recycle. They get their energy from dead stuff. Okay, it's gross, but it's a good thing, because can you imagine if nothing in ecosystems, nothing, all the dead stuff didn't get eaten? It would just all be there. Ugh. So it's amazing. So decomposers recycle dead organisms into chemical nutrients, and which makes the soil richer, and in turn helps the producers create food for us consumers, okay? Producers are called autotrophs. Consumers are called heterotrophs. All right. Now let's talk about herbivores. Y'all been learning about this since you were in young elementary, hopefully. Okay? Herbivores only eat plants. All right? So there are quite a few animals out there that only eat plants, and they're kind of low on the food chain. They are a first primary consumer. So you might need to do a little research if you're not sure what animals eat only plants, but look that up and give me 2 examples, okay? Carnivores only eat meat. And think of, when I hear the word meat, I think of steak, but meat is also insects, okay? Or an ant, or any type of living, an animal that an organism eats. They're called a carnivore. Carnivore if they only eat meat, okay? So look up some animals that are carnivores, that they do not eat any plants whatsoever. All right, omnivores are what humans are physiologically made to do. Some people choose to not eat any meat. They're called vegetarians or vegans, but they can if they wanted to, okay? So we are omnivores. Humans are able to process both plants and meat and get their energy that way, okay? And then scavengers, again, we're thankful for those scavengers. They eat bodies of dead organisms. So please make sure you not only give me the definition or what they eat, also please give me 2 examples, and you might need to do a little research for that, and that would be good because it's pretty easy. Okay. Food webs. As you know, a food web is a network of food chains by which energy and nutrients are passed on from one living organism to another. And there's multiple pathways, okay? So basically multiple food chains. A food chain is just a single line of energy transfer from the sun to a producer, and then to a primary consumer, secondary, and tertiary. But food web is that mixture of all the different animals and how they relate to one another as far as getting their energy from other organisms. So you're going to probably have to do a little research and find a picture of a food chain and an image of a food web for this. And I'm going to stop at this video for now and let y'all finish for today. unless you want to keep going. We'll start at energy pyramid tomorrow.